Here we will demonstrate how to close the deep tissues under the skin using an interrupted suturing technique. You'll notice that on this occasion we will be using a braided suture, which gives increased friction when we do the suturing. We're going to choose the wound on the bottom left here because it's the widest wound, and it might be a wound that one would consider closing the deep tissues prior to closing the skin. And we'll start in the middle of the wound, show it so it has the maximal effect. So when doing a deep suturing technique, one wants to start deep in the wound, coming up to superficial, and then in the same way that we've done before, coming across the wound, grasping the skin gently, and then rotating the hand superficial to deep in this manner. That creates an interrupted suture such that when you tie this, the knot will be located deep in the wound. So once again, we're using a double throw to start with, and crossing our knot, and then a single throw in the other direction. We're using the tension technique that we've learned in the other video, and then finishing off with a reef knot on top. This can then be cut nice and deep within the wound so that there are no knots on top. You can then proceed with performing another couple of deep tension sutures in the wound here.